REST API uses same request methods as HTTP. It tells the server what the request wants to do that is coming to the server. GET is a type of HTTP request method that reads the data and retrieves the data. POST is a create method to submit data. PUT to update the entire resource. Patch request method is for updating just part of the resource. Delete is for deleting the resource. All of these 5 HTTP request methods are also called CRUD operations. And these are the most common request methods that we'll be looking at in this course. We also have some more HTTP request methods, which are not that common, which are trace, options, and connect. Trace performs a message loop back to the target. Option describes communication option to the target. Connect creates a tunnel to the server based on the target resource. So these 3 are not that common, but the 5 we looked at before are the ones we're going to be using in this course. In addition to the HTTP request methods, one of the most important pieces of information attached to the HTTP response is the HTTP status codes. It tells the client if the communication between the client and the server was successful. We have HTTP response status codes ranging from 100 to 500. 100 being the information response, that means the request is being processed. 200 response code means it's a success, that the request was successfully completed. 300 status code is a redirection, which means further action must be complete. 400 status code is for client errors. An error was caused by the request from the client. 500 usually always means server errors, that is, an error has occurred at the server. So yeah, so that's pretty much it as far as HTTP response status codes are concerned. Now to see how we can apply HTTP request methods we just looked at into our code. Currently we have .get HTTP request method, but you can have multiple. As you can see with the dot, you can see multiple methods here that you can apply, but we'll all be looking at the request methods. You can have post here, you can have put here, you can have delete, you can have update. So yeah, this is where you're going to be applying your HTTP request methods, but for now we're only looking at the HTTP GET method, and that's all for now.